Welcome everyone. Luke and I are going to see some waterfalls, and this is also going to be our first YouTube video ever. The falls we're seeing are about 45 minutes from Luke's place, and they're called Angel Falls. Excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hazel's falling asleep over here. Gotten a little bit of mud. How big this artist conch is. We didn't find a waterfall, and
there's no waterfall. Look, there's not enough water. Unless
there might have been at one point, but we're not finding it, so we're gonna go to another location.
It'd be a very small.
So we finally found an actual trailhead. It's called Dutchman Falls. And it's to someone that said it's going to take about 10 minutes to get to the falls, and comes out into this beautiful stream. Hazel didn't wait for a second. It's freezing and she's in it. That's how it looks from above. Wow. As we were coming up here, we saw this creepy tunnel that all the water comes out of. Look at it right. It was our very short but very long journey to try to find some falls. Thank you guys so much for watching, and like and subscribe if you want to see more.